Hello everyone, a warm welcome to Advanced Soil Mechanics NPTEL MOOC. Myself Srideep Shekaran. I am a professor in Geotechnical Engineering, Department of Civil Engineering, IIT Guwahati. You can reach me at srees@iitg.ac.in. To talk about this course is mostly focused for postgraduate students, essentially MTech and PhD students who has enrolled in geotechnical engineering, basically in their first semester. It is also equally important for final year undergraduate students in civil engineering as an elective. Whatever be, it is expected that the participants have undergone the basic geotechnical courses during their undergraduate for appreciating this course better. Now, coming to the title of the course, Advanced Soil Mechanics, I would like to mention here that not all the contents of this course is advanced. I would say that it is more like advancing soil mechanics. The reason is this particular course attempts to bridge the concepts which you have learned during your undergraduate with that of the advanced concepts, and hence obviously there will be a bit of overlap between the two. Those who have missed certain concepts during their undergraduate related to mechanical behavior of soils, I am sure this course will be a refresher for them as well as to improve upon their concepts. The participants are expected to develop deeper insights into the mechanical behavior of soil after completing this course. I wish you all a very fruitful learning of this course and hope that this course orient you towards the higher realms of geomechanics. In the next introductory lecture, I will explain you that what you can expect from this course. Thank you.